Okay, guys, sorry about that. I didn't have all my data together. It's Monday, June 26, 2023, and here are the results of our automatic trading systems for today, which, yeah, it's been a rough time here lately, but I covered some of this over the weekend. I actually am hopeful that the next, the June and, or I'm sorry, the July and August legs of this market, especially in our futures automatic trading, picks up like it has in the past. So we actually did get a bit of a relief here a little bit today on the Dow Jones Industrials, the YM contract, and again on this one, I'm really looking back here was the beginning of July last year, the end of June, and this kind of where we're at now. So kind of looking to get this thing get up and going again. So that would be nice. That is what we're hopeful for, and yeah, at this point, I honestly would just be fine with just getting back up into this upper zone again. That'd be fine. Uh, the Russell has been weak as well here lately. More weakness today, which again, in the scheme of things, is fine. It's just aggravating. But that's trading. And then there's here actually, I wanted to pull this down. So let's look at. So here's our results of the Nasdaq today, or over the last couple days. We actually did get a little bit of some relief here at the end of the day, I believe, and maybe some. That's the general results of. I'd have to pull up all the individual trades, but so we got some more down, and then we got a little bit of a bounce. So what I'm again, I've covered this before, but I'll do it again. This pullback and that bounce looks an awful lot like, I hope, all of this pullback at once or all of that pullback at once. Those are all tough pullbacks. This pullback before it went. So all we need to do is get this thing to start picking back up again, and we'll resume the slope. And that slope is really here. So this is the same data, just more of it over a longer period of time, and that's that right there. So this slope is wonderful for an equity curve. So all you got to do is hold on, and it's so nice that it trades itself. You can't really second guess it too much. And then this is another example actually of the Russell. So I wanted to kind of show this because it's another system literally all by itself. It's got different trading mechanisms, but I was evaluating it against the Russell, this one, and literally, so we're in the 110 to $120,000 level in this zone here, and if we go down to the one that I'm evaluating, or that is a totally different system, you can see, 130 down to 112 or something like that, 115 maybe. Um, Same general idea, and actually this is, I think, a lot more trades. It trades a lot more often. I'm sure it does. And we got the same sell-off. So the futures contracts typically will move in the same direction if you have an upward sloping equity curve. We're all subject to these pullbacks and the pain that goes with them and the irritation, I guess. It's just is what it is. So I wanted to show that because I think that's indicative of how these systems work. It's kind of like buy and hold, except you're buying and holding on a mathematical statistic based system. So, and with that, I'll leave you guys for tonight, and hopefully everybody is weathering some of the storm and and maybe doing some well in some of the other systems. So it's really the tug and pull of those 10 things together, and ultimately trying to get your equity curves to all go up eventually. That's the name of the game. So with that, take care, guys. Good trading, and have a great evening.